Welcome to Spanish Class 101. Today, we will learn some animals that we found at the zoo. In a moment, some animals will appear on your screen. You'll then hear their name in Spanish and see the way they're written. Are you ready? Camello, camello, león, león, tigre, tigre, girafa, girafa, mono, mono, elefante, elefante, zebra, zebra, caimán, caimán, rinoceronte, rinoceronte, serpiente, serpiente. Now it's your turn. Those animals will appear in a random order. Try to name them. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to watch this video over and over again. If you want to learn more about Spanish, or learn more about other languages, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.